there, everybody. Hope you're ready for another fun activity, aerobic bowling. You're gonna need a little bit of equipment for this activity, so let me show you what you gotta get. First, our famous sock balls. These have been our saving grace throughout this distance learning. So make sure you have a sock ball. You're also gonna need, down here I have 6 cups. So you'll need 6 cups for the activity, and you wanna set them up in a triangle. How do I remember that? Well, one of your other pieces of equipment, you need some tape. And I just put tape on the floor where each cup goes. These cups will serve as my bowling pins for my aerobic bowling game. Now, in addition to tape for those cups, we also need tape for our starting line right here. Now, does anybody remember what kind of throw we use in bowling? Underhand, you're right. So, I have 30 seconds on my timer, and I am going to try and score as many points as I can. If I knock a cup off the tape, then I have earned that point. So potentially in one roll, if there are 6 cups down there, I could earn 6 points. As soon as I finish the roll, I run down, set all the cups back up, come back, and keep going as many times as I can in 30 seconds. When the timer goes off, then my turn is over, and we're gonna see how many points I can get. Later, we're gonna see how many points you can get. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh, I missed. No, I don't need your help, Bodie. Get out of the way, come on. Oh, I missed again. This sock ball isn't rolling very well. Oh, I got one point. Behind my line. Oh, I got 6 plus 1 is 7. And time is up. Pretty tough game. Gotta move quick. You can change the distance however far you want it to be, but it be at least 5 steps away from your cups. Make sure that you set your cups up every time, and don't lose track of your points. Coach P got 7. How many can you get? Have fun with the game.